Hi everyone, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the screen tearing issue on Linux Mint. I've already fixed it, so my system isn't having this issue anymore, but if you have any doubts what that issue is, it's what you're seeing right here. Those awkward horizontal lines that appears every time you watch a movie, a video, or even when you're scrolling your mouse like this. But as I mentioned, you're not gonna see this on my computer because I've just fixed it. Alright, let's do this. The first thing that you're going to do is go to your driver manager. Here on menu, you can start typing driver manager. Alright, I'm gonna click it. And right here, you have to change it to recommended option. Here it's written recomendado because I'm a Brazilian, but for you, it's going to be recommended. By default, it was this option that was activated, and what you're going to do is change it to recommended. Okay, that was the first thing. Now the second and last thing that I have to do is go to the menu again and start typing NVIDIA. And now I'm going to click on this option right here. Now I go to the Prime Profile option, and right here, at least for me, it was this option right here, NVIDIA Performance Mode, that was activated by default. But you don't want that. You want the second option right here, NVIDIA On Demand. Those were the only changes I've made, and it worked for me very well, and I hope it works for you too. So that's it for today, guys. I hope it was helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.